Welcome to Kids Zone. Please like and subscribe my channel.
Today we will play Guess the Fruits by Emojis. Let's start a fruity quiz. First one is, a man and a symbol go. Yay, it's mango, that's cool. The second one is pea and ear. Can you got that? It's pears. Third one is A key and alphabet Y. It's kiwi. Fourth one is A blue box, a bear, and alphabet Y. It's blueberry. Fifth one is A chair and alphabet Y. It's cherry. You guessed a lot. Sixth one is straw, a bear, and alphabet Y. It's strawberry. This is a calendar. Oh, this is dates. Next one is alphabet O, a man runs, and alphabet G and E. Oh, it's orange. Next one is a Coke bottle and nuts. Ha! It's coconut. Next one is a pine tree and apple. Pineapple. Next one is a stop sign and ANA. Clap for my guess, it's banana. Next guess is Popeye and A. Papaya. Next one is lem plus on. It's lemon. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe for another exciting challenges.